Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, a seasoned digital marketer. Just got a recent query from one of my audience, so let's get started on the question I have today. Okay, the question is, how can I become the top search for my brand website name? Okay, basically, I have created this web DNDK. Okay, but when searched, it does not show up at all. I have already indexed the page in Google Search Console, but to no avail. The reason being there are other sites that have similarish names. For instance, my website name is AI Taverns, but there are others like Character Tavern or Tavern AI. They don't seem to have much traffic, but for some reason they came out when I search AI Taverns up. What should I be doing, or what can I do to make it become the top search for only the name of my website? I'm not aiming for any other keywords, DND or solo. Any help would be appreciated. Okay, for a new website, in those scenarios, I recommend doing SEO. SEO should be your first priority. With SEO, search engine optimization, what we have to do is to build the trust in the eyes of the search engine regarding your website. And for that, there are multiple ways which are being used. Some are called off-site and some are called on-page. Okay, and along with that, a technical SEO. So these three are the main pillars of the SEO: off-site SEO, on-page SEO, and technical SEO. While the off-site contains, what you are sharing on social media, so you can ask your friends, colleagues to share your website on different channels of social media, including on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So they can help you in increasing the trust when people are talking regarding your website. It's a good that you have added on Search Console, but you need more signals. Along with Reddit is also a good one. Apart from this, other websites are discussing about you, can be good sign. You can comment on other websites with your own name. Some blogs offer blog commenting where you can comment, and a backlink is generated. So 301 redirect or 302 of no follower, follow doesn't matter. Just need to have one. So I think that the off-page sites part come over here with the trust. The on-page needs an optimization. What I recommend you is to ask different questions on your website, optimize your on-page structure, improve your content text, add ALD text between your images with your name AI Taverns, and a proper hyperlink based structure on your website, and a professionalism in they can help you regarding your own page. And now for technical SEO, because it's a new website, I don't know how many articles you have, but it's a good idea if you keep on adding new articles, and we can discuss the technical SEO later on, because right now there will not be any issues regarding technical SEO, but more regarding on page and off page. So these are some of the ways through which you can rank for your own website name. But there is another interesting way, and if you want to get quicker immediately, because SEO such an optimization takes time, the other answer is PPC. PPC means run Google Ads. So we have been working with both SEO and Google Ads, but if you try to run Google Ads, you can rank for any keyword within less than 24 hours. All you need to is to just to create an account on Google Ads like this, and just start to create your own campaign. I have dedicated a lot of videos on how you can create your own campaign on Google Ads, and then within 24 hours less, you can rank on any keyword, and your website will be shown above on all of your competitor names as well. So yeah, the other way is Google Ads PPC, and the first way is SEO. So I hope this answers your question on how you can become the top search for your brand website name. But if anyone watching has a better strategy or idea, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, so that we all can look around that as well. But also, if anyone needs a professional help with SEO or Google Ads or PPC services, just to let you know that my company name is AARSWEBS.com, a full-fledged Google partner company, and we help clients like you. So if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, AARSWEBS.com. I hope this answers your question query as well. Take care and bye-bye.